feet. This is the falls. ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ.
ಸ್ಕೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ನೋಡು,
ಹಾಂ,
ಹಂಗೆ ನಿಧಾನ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಬಿಲ್ಕುಲ್ ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಲೈವೇನಾ.
ವಾವ್, ಹರ್ಷಿತ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್. ಅವ್ನು ಯಾರೋ ಪುಣ್ಯಾದ ಮಲ್ಲೋಗೋನೆ
ಫಿಶಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವನಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅವ್ನು ಯಾರು ಅಲ್ಲೋಗ್ತಾವನೆ. ಗೈಸ್, ಸಿ ಹರ್ಷಿತ್ಸ್ circus here to take a transition.
ಯಾವ ಸಾಗರ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮು?
ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ಸಾಗರ್. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಗೌರಿಬಿದನೂರು ಬಾಲ್ ಮುಂದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಶುಭೋದಯ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿತ್ ಆನ್ ಆಲ್ ನ್ಯೂ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. Time is what is the time? 8:46. There is another problem in the Himalayan console. When the weather outside is too cold, this tends to fog up, so it becomes difficult in terms of visibility. So today we are going to Srinivas Sagar Reservoir. It's a small dam slash reservoir very close to the place that I stay. That is Chikbalapur. Harshit is along with me. I'm telling him to pass right now. There he goes. So it is very close. See, total distance around 10.5 kilometers. That's it. But what's surprising is that I've never been to that place till date. So it was in the news for past couple of months when there was heavy rains around this area. So the reservoir was filled and there was a falls kind of thing that is coming. So that was very beautiful to see in the pictures at least. So we're going to check that place out today. It's a big day, so hopefully very less people are there. That is first. Secondly, I still have no mic adapter. I know I'm complaining a lot, but then please bear with me till I buy one mic adapter. So time is, again, I told the time again, but 8:45. Weather is okay. It's not too hot, not too cold. Okay, time to catch Harshit. Enjoy the roads. Also, have you guys noticed that whenever we enter a Ghat section, I don't know about you guys, but then I personally feel that there is a proper drop in the temperature, like a noticeable drop in the temperature as soon as you enter the Ghat section. Any Ghat for that matter, let it be however small it is. Even here, as you could see here it is only as we are exiting that Ghats, but then once we entered those curvy roads, there was, the weather became noticeably cool. I don't know why this patch of here you have to take a deviation. If you go straight like that, you will go to Manchanalli, but then you can see a Srinivasa Sagar straight down. So you have to take off left here. You can see the lake to my left. You can see, see, that is the falls that I was talking about. hope there are no people. Okay, there are very less people. So see, this is the falls that I was talking about. I'll go there and explain you the concept of that falls. See, this is the falls. There are very less people, that is good. Looks beautiful. So this is the Srinivas Sagara Dam / reservoir. So any general reservoir will have opening gates, but this doesn't have opening gates. There is a lake behind that. If that overflows, the water flows down as excess. So there is one idol of God also there. Yeah, let's go. This is the reason why you should come in the early mornings. There are very less people. What is your initial impression?
ಸೂಪರ್ ಇದೆ.
ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ತೆಗಿ, ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ. This is the Srinivas Sagar Dam / reservoir. Thankfully very less people because it is a weekday and it is early in the morning. So if you're coming on the weekend, proper correct time for you to come and enjoy this place without much of a crowd is around 7 to 8 in the morning. Asit is enjoying the water. Hey, take a dip da. Dip ತಗೋ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ. ನಾನು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. So that they will enjoy some place and check out on Instagram for some nice pictures. We have our bikes are parked there. So this is just a road. So you come from there and then you park your bikes here. You can take some nice pictures. Sun. So just a road. There's a temple also there. Yeah, there's a temple there. So we'll see if that is open and we can go there. So this is the place. Okay, our Ashit. ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವ ನಂಗ್ಲು. ಸರಿ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಪ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಎತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಫುಲ್ಲು ಜಾರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀವ ನನ್ನ ಕೈಲಿ.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತದ, ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ ಬಾ, ಹುಷಾರಾಗ. ಇಂಥ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಸ್ಕೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ನೋಡು, ಹಂಗೆ ನಿಧಾನ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಇವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಹೋಗಿ ಆರಾಮಾಗ.
ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ಪರಿ. ಬಾ ಬಾ ಬಾ, ನಿಂಗಾಗುತ್ತಾ?
ಸ್ಕೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡು.
ಓಯ್ ವಾ, ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೈ ಕೊಡು. ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ,
ಬಂದ ಇರು. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿ, ಇಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಭಯ ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ನಾವು. ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ,
ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಪಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀಯ ನೀನು. ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್.
ಬಸ್ಸಿ ಬಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ಕೊತಿದ್ವು.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಡ್ರೈ ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ ಕಾಲ್.
ವಾಟರ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ,
ಏನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೋಡಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ.
ಅದೇ ಮುಟ್ಟು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಕೋದ ನೀವು.
ಎಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀನು ನಡ್ಕೊಂಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಕ್ತಾನಂತೀವನು.
ಇನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ಹೋದ್ರೆ
ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಹೋಗೋಣ ಬಾ. ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನಾನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾವುದು ಸೂಪರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಟಿ ಶರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಏನೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್. ಸಣ್ಣಕ್ಕಿದೆ, ಫೋಟೋ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಬಾ, ಅವ್ರು ಬರೋಷ್ಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. ಹರ್ಷಿತ್ ಬರೋ. Ashit has finally bought us in front of the waterfall. So it is very slippery, filled with algae. So be very careful and get ready to get wet if you want to take some nice pictures. Pant hodena? My pants are they're going there. You can get some nice pictures there. Khajura nilla. You'll have to be very careful. Very, very slippery. The idol that I showed you, it's there. So you have to be very careful. So it's a nice place. So you have to visit this place during monsoons when the lake behind or reservoir behind gets filled. If not, there won't be any overflow. So this happens because of overflow. I'm telling this many times because I'm just excited. Hey, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ? ಹತ್ಬಿಡ. Follow me on Instagram for some nice pictures. ನಾನಂತೂ ಬರಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ ಬರೋ. ನೋಡ್ರೆ ಊಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಲ್ಲ. You need some guts to go there. It's very slippery. ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲ ಬಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹಂಗಿಂದ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ನಿ. ಹಾಂ ನಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ಪರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಿನ್ನ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋ.
ಹೆಂಗೂ ಅರ್ಧ ಮುಂದಿದ್ದೀನೋ
ನೆಂದ್ಬಿಡು ಫುಲ್ಲು.
ನಿಧಾನ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂತ
ಹ್ಞೂ ಹೋಗು. ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು. ಓಹೋ ಹೋ ಹೋ
बिल्कुल रिक्स ले ही लेना.
So we've finally managed to come from there till the idol. Very slippery. If you can see, let me just demonstrate. See, it is filled with algae, very slippery. Wow, Harshit has managed to go there. You can see him sliding here and there. Let me take some pictures. Follow me on Instagram. ಹೇಳೋ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಹೇಳೋ.
ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ವಿಂಡ್ಮಿಲ್ಲು ಏರಿಂದ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ಥರ ವಾಟರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಆ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಟರ್ಬೈನ್ಗಳಿರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಏನಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್
ಅದನ್ನ ಹೈಡ್ರೋ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ.
ಜನರೇಟ್ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು
ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಬಾರೋ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಐತೆ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರೋಣ.
ಹೋಗೋಣ.
ಅವ್ನು ಯಾರೋ ಪುಣ್ಯಾತ್ ಮಲ್ಲೋಗೋನೆ
ಫಿಶಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವನಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅವ್ನು ಯಾರು ಅಲ್ಲೋತ್ತವನೆ.
ಸೂಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್.
ಅವ್ನು ಅವನೇ ತಾನೇ ಅವನು.
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸೂಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. BTV ಕಳಿಸು.
ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಟಿವಿನೇ. ಗೈಸ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡೂ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸರ್ಕಸ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಬಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ ದೇರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್. ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದೇರ್, ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಸಾಗರ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮ್. ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು ಡ್ಯಾಮು?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಬಂದು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು.
So it's a good place to visit. There's nothing much to do here, but then you can have some nice time, click some nice pictures. Waiting for our legs to dry up so that we can wear shoes. Harshit has worn shoes. I knew the situation would come up. That's why I didn't wear shoes. How is the new angle of the GoPro chest mount? So let me know. I have one head mount also, but not using it today. Let's see when we can use that. So guys, see Harshit's circus here to take a transition. So on that note, please hit subscribe button, press like, comment down. See, you have to do all the circus.
ಬಂತು
ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಬಂತು ಫಸ್ಟು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ದೇವ್ರ ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ನೋಡೋಣ.
ಓಕೆ,
ಹಂಗೆ
okay, we spent good one and a half hours at least. We clicked some nice pictures, spent some quality time, sat together, talked. Harshit is getting ready to leave. So this was Srinivasagara Dam. Guys, let me know how you felt about the place, do visit the place if you are in and around Bangalore. It would be a nice morning drive. Again, good road from Bangalore till here. It's a good place to visit. So do visit and let me know how that goes in the comment section. Until the next video, take care, stay safe, hit that subscribe button, like and share. Takes effort with work to do this. So on that note, stay safe guys. I know the cases are increasing, new variants and all that. Don't worry too much, but at the same time stay safe and avoid going out, and take your vaccine on your chance if you haven't yet. Always cover your face with a face mask. Even I have my face mask right here. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye hello, bye hello. So that was the goodbye for the video.